instead of replacing the heater, if your blower motor is not working, make sure you test the capacitor. This one was reading 40 microfarads, which is this 7.5 right there. So I just replaced the capacitor, which was probably about $25, something like that, in that ballpark, maybe 10. Saved the customer a few $100, and the heater works fine. So always check your capacitors, that they're within range. It has a range right there, +6, -6%. It'll save your customers a lot of money and gain a lot of trust. That way you get a lot of callbacks. Okay. Anyway, Marcos Perales, CV Pools. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thumbs up, please. Bye.